This is REALME 12, and in this video I would like to share a few useful tips and tricks for this device. So to start, I would like to show you the Phone Master. That's the built-in default app you get alongside the system itself. It allows you to manage your system in different useful ways. So for him, for example, here you can manage your apps conveniently. You can also clean your storage and optimize your system performance, like clearing the RAM cache, closing some unnecessary background active processes that drain a lot of power and slows down your phone in general. You can also manage your payment protection preferences here. What else? Monitor and manage your data usage. And also it provides you with a bunch of shortcuts for the useful tools, such as private save, app lock, app hide apps, installation from external sources, app cloner, and so on. Next cool option I wanted to share with you, you'll find in the settings and display and brightness category. It is called the screen refresh rate, and it boils down to the higher you go, the smoother animations and visuals you get, but your battery consumption, your power consumption will be also increased. Basically, you have two choices here. You can switch your refresh rate value between 60 and 120 Hz. The difference very visually, the difference between them you can tell from those very handy animations that show how smoother is the high setting for it, and how cranky and overall unpleasant the standard refresh rate of 60 Hz looks. So you do you. That's up to you to decide what is more important, the prolonged battery life and prolonged autonomy, or more smoother animations and overall just better visual experience subjectively. Or if you do not want to manually switch between those two values, you can just set it to auto select and allow your system to automatically switch between those values in accordance with whatever state your system and battery are currently in. Moving on, last two options that I wanted to share with you are both performance related, and once enrolled or once implemented, enabled, whatever, you will feel a significant performance boost. So first of them you can find at the battery category of settings. So open it, next go for the more settings section, and then performance mode. Here set your performance mode to the high performance mode profile, and this way you can tell that your system is in the high performance mode by this little indicator here left to the Wi-Fi you can see. And moving on, the next tip that is performance related that I've planned to share today, you'll find in the About Device category of settings. Here tap at the RAM, and now enable the RAM expansion, select the amount of additional RAM gigabytes you would like to go with, and restart your phone so those changes will be properly applied. And what this feature does, it pretty much allocates however many gigabytes you've selected from your internal storage and commence those gigabytes to behave as virtual RAM practically. So this way, once this option is enabled, you get additional wiggle room in multitasking, and overall your system just will have more available gigabytes to work with, and more available gigabytes to throw its tasks and processes to. So this way you will get enhanced multitasking, and your phone will not slow down if you'll, let's say, use more than 10 apps at a time. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.